Welcome to RC's RC Cars, a channel dedicated to showing you how to build your own RC car. Today we're going to continue building this Kyosho Fantom PZF T-33 pan car kit. And this is going to be part 10 of the build series. We're going to be working on step 13, which is to build the ball differential. So we're going to need the contents of bag E here. So let's do that. Okay, and this kit did come with a tub of ball differential grease. I'm going to use this Tamiya ball diff grease instead. So let's just go ahead and start right here. We need something to stand this on, so we'll stand up like this. Okay, so I have this on here. I put some tape so it won't move at all. So we'll just see how that goes. And so let's find all the components we need to drop on here. So first thing looks like it's going to be this ball bearing right here. And I think it's going to be this. So we're just going to drop this on here. Okay. Next is going to be one of these discs. I think you can see there's a flat side over here. And there's also a flat side right there. So we'll set that on. But it says here we need to put grease on both sides of the disc. Let's do that. And now we're going to need this spur gear. Going to set that on here around the bearing. And now we need to drop the individual balls in there. And so put a dab of grease. And now we're going to drop the bearings inside. There we go. Should look like that when you're done. All right, now that we're done with this side, we're going to start over here. First thing we need to do is put that disc on. And same thing, we need to put a little bit of grease on both sides. And then also the ball bearing inside. And also this is going to go on top, and you can see that flat side over there. It should seat completely flat once you have it lined up. Okay. And now we got that, we got this piece, and now we need this right here, which I think is this. Okay, that falls in. And then we need two tiny washers. Should be these two right here. And there's a spring in between. There's that spring. And it does say to squeeze with pliers. So let's drop one washer, one spring, and then another washer, and then finally this nut right here. The correct one is the silver one. Okay, don't over tighten this. You want this to be able to move smoothly. And after you've tightened this nut, That's all there is. We're done with step 13. We put together the ball differential. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.